Hi, in this video I am going to tell how can we send a Ajax request and how can we receive response from PHP. Right, so let me tell you how can we do that. First I will need to enter my name, okay, and let me enter a demo email ID, and this is number and this is message. When I click on submit button, you can see this is response sent by PHP file, and this is HTML file. Okay, this is HTML form and I coded HTML form in PHP file. Okay guys, when I click on this button, then PHP send response. I will tell you step by step each and everything. Okay, so there are 3 steps. In first step I need to create a HTML form, okay, and in second step I need to create a JavaScript code in which I need to mention Ajax function, right? And in third step I need to create a PHP file which can be used to send response to the Ajax. Okay, so this is my editor. I am using Visual Studio Code. First I need to create a HTML form, and this is my HTML form. Okay, I already created. You need to mention action and you need to leave it as a blank. Okay, then you need to mention IDs of the input field, such as I am using a input field which is used to enter the name of the person. Okay, and I put name of as a ID. Okay, and in the second I am also using ID as an email, and this is ID phone and this is ID message. Okay guys, and in submit button I need to specify type of button as a button. There is a attribute type and I need to mention button over here. Okay, and I need to use a on click event where we can call a function check, and this function will be specified in JavaScript code, which I am going to tell you right now. Okay, I need to mention a JavaScript code as well, so I need to mention that here. Let me copy it from my website. This is my website, and let me copy it. So this is the code. I'm just copying it and pasting in HTML file. You need to paste it beside closing of body tag. Okay, this is the footer of the website, so I need to paste it over here. Right, so first of all I need to get the variables. I need to get the values of the input field, and by using document.getElementById I am getting the value of input field. So there are 4 input field, so I need to mention this kind of syntax, right? Get element by ID. This is used to get the value of this ID, right? And in Ajax function I am using type post, and URL I am using a pro.php file. I will tell you it later. Okay, so in data I need to pass the values of input field, right? This is syntax data. You need to give a key and value. This is key and value pair, right? You need to give key, and this is value of this key name, right? So you need to mention variable here. This is variable, so you need to mention here, and this is also a variable. Okay, you need to mention here, and phone is also a key and its value is phone. So all of these are variables. Okay guys, and this is success. When request will be delivered successfully, then you will receive a response from there by PHP, by pro.php file, right? So this is ID, and this is mentioned over here. Okay, this is ID. When I will receive response from PHP file, then that will be displayed over here. Okay guys, So I will receive response from PHP file and it will be printed by this syntax. You can also check the value what you are receiving. You can also check it by conditions, if or else or anything else. Okay guys, so you can do it by your program logic. So let me remove it. Okay, now move to PHP file. I need to paste the code over here as well. So let me copy it. I'm just copying and pasting over here. Okay guys, so yeah, as you can see, I am getting name value and email value. These are the field which is already mentioned in HTML form, right? I am also getting value of phone and message. Now I have printed it, right? This is the response which Ajax will receive. Okay, so same value I will be received by Ajax, this one, right? And if we move to the screen over here, let me refresh it. When I am typing something, and when I click on submit, you can see these details are printing over here. And if I add something over here, let me add a arrow or little designing, it should be printing over there as well. So when I click on submit button, you can see this is the response actually sent by PHP file. So I hope you are getting each and everything explained by me, and you can see this is a Ajax function. Okay guys, I hope you got each and everything explained by me. So if you like the video, you can like. If you are new on this channel, then you can subscribe the channel. Okay guys, you can also download this code from my website. Okay, you can download, you can copy the code from here, and you can use this kind of code in your web page or your website.